hold her steady. She's bucking like a reindeer on espresso.
I'm trying, Santa. The wind's got a mind of its own.
Easy now. Whoa, left rudder, left.
Hang on, lad.
We'll ride this storm out if it jingles us.
Is this safe? No, but Christmas isn't either. Steady the course, kid. That swirl's sucking us in.
Hold tight, kid. We're banking left.
Left? There's nothing but drip. Whoa.
Trust Dasher and the team. They've got this.
Hang on. Yes, we cleared it.
And still on... Oh, my back.
Santa.
Oh, candy canes. That one's heavier than it looks. Give me a tick, lad. Old spine's jingling all the wrong bells. The runway is buried under 50 feet of snow. We are grounded.
Come on, you stubborn drift. You picked the wrong runway today. Not on my watch.
Thank you, my friend. The runway's never looked better. Safe travels.
Whoa, slippery as a penguin out here. Come on, old boy. Get a leg. No. Easy now. Hold tight, Santa. Hold tight. Chimney's right there. Just a little more reach.
Ouch! Ow! I think I twisted it badly this time. Easy now, old boy. Easy.
Don't worry, Santa. I've got the navigation. Just show me how to toss the sack.
Oh, all right, lad. Pull that lever to arm it, then press the green button when we're over the chimney. Remember, kid, every chimney is a new challenge. Treat it with respect.
Got it, Santa. I won't forget.
Here you go, nice and hot. Take slow sips. Once you warm up, we'll get you on the snowmobile and back to the cabin.
That's wonderful. Thank you, my dear. I was starting to think I'd miss Christmas Eve.
Not on our watch, Santa.
Oh, now that's more like it. Hang on, reindeer. I'll be home in a flash.
All right, team. One last hill, then we rest. Let's move.
Not a chance. We've pulled all night. The straps stay loose till we get a break. The sky won't wait forever.
Neither will we. Here they come!
Just in time.
Keep it steady, team. We're flying.
Got it, boss. Ice under the paws, wind in the fur. Nothing can stop us now.
Hang on.
Look at it. He's just sitting up there. What do we do?
Yes, sir, I see the issue. It appears to be a significant obstruction.
Right. We'll proceed carefully.
Proceed carefully? He's got a sleigh.
Sir, you appear to have a, holiday blockage. I'm sending in the camera now.
Oh, no. This is bad. Okay, stay calm, Santa. Just a little twist and... Nope, I'm wedged tighter than a stocking on a mantle. Anybody up there? Little help?